ISAs are a great product and are essentially an account that you can save into. ISAs are really tax efficient, which is great when it comes to saving and investing. Once you've contributed to an ISA and your money's within the ISA, there's no income tax and no capital gains tax at all on that investment. So that's one less thing to worry about. There are two main types of ISAs. The first one is a cash ISA where you can receive tax-free interest on the money held within your account. The second type of ISA is what's called a stocks and shares ISA. With this, you would use a platform and invest your money into the great companies of the world to try and achieve better return on your investments, over and above that of the interest payable on a cash ISA. To open a cash ISA, you have to be at least 16 years old, and to open a stocks and shares ISA, you have to be at least 18 years old. There are limits you can contribute, and that will be updated in the description. If we delve a little bit further into ISAs, back in 2016, the government launched a new ISA called the Lifetime ISA, otherwise known as a LISA. This is to encourage people to save towards their first house purchase or retirement. The way in which this works is you can contribute a certain amount each tax year, and the government will top this up by an amount. Please again see the description for up-to-date details on this. There are a couple of questions, however, that you need to ask yourself to understand whether a LISA is right for you. The first one, is the money definitely going to go towards a first house purchase? If that's a yes, that's great. The next question is, are you planning to buy a house in more than 12 months? If that's a yes, next question. Is the house that you are planning to buy under the value of £450,000? If the answer is yes to all three of those questions and you are saving towards a house, absolutely you should be saving into a LISA. Please see the description for any legislative changes. If you've got children and you wanted to start saving for their future, there's also what's called a junior ISA, otherwise known as a JISA. This is similar to a cash ISA or a stocks and shares ISA. The only difference with this is that it has limits, which will be in the description below, up to date with current legislation. Overall, when it comes to saving into ISAs, it's really important to look at the different ones available and also what your goals are and how they fit into that.